Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the pre-market report. We are entering into the last trading section in Nifty in this year 2024. On last trading section, Nifty could close above its 200-day EMA, but Nifty now trades below its 10, 20, 50 and 100-day EMAs. This month we saw the Nifty made its monthly high on December 11th, that is 25,550 levels, and Nifty made low about nearly 23,200 levels towards the lower side. For the last trading section, Nifty traded within the range of 23,650 and 23,900 levels. But if we check about 1 week trading section, we saw Nifty trading between 23,500 to 24,000 level. So what is the direction of Nifty? If someone asked, it is a $1,000,000 question. To decide the direction in Nifty, either Nifty need to decisively break 23,500 level, or it has to breach above 24,000 level. Coming into today's expiry, if Nifty breaks 23,870 levels, the next resistance Nifty may face at 24,070 levels, followed by 24,300. One interesting factor is that for the 13th consecutive trading sections, Nifty could not close above its previous day closing. If Nifty breaks 200-day EMA support, the next support will be at 23,630, followed by 23,530. The next support will be at 23,263, where the previous month's low lies. On Tuesday also, the India VIX fell about more than 2%, and the India VIX is now at 13.17. The PCR of Nifty now stands at 0.89. Coming into the global markets, in US market, Nasdaq for the fourth consecutive section, it closed higher. And yesterday, Nasdaq closed above 1%. Now, Nasdaq is only about 1% down from its all-time high. For the third consecutive section, the S&P 500 also closed higher. It's also closed above 1%. Coming into the European markets, it still closed due to the Christmas holidays. Coming into the Asian markets, yesterday due to Christmas holidays, only Japan and China market were open. Both of them yesterday closed lower. Now Nifty 225 and Thailand markets are open. Both of them now trading with positive sentiments. Coming into the commodities rose on yesterday. Now it's up. Brent crude now trades at 73.62. Crude oil is now at 70.22, and gold is now trading at 2620.70. Coming into the technicals, the Nifty 50 formed a inside bar candlestick pattern on the daily charts which indicates caution. According to the monthly options data, 25,000 strike holds the maximum open interest towards the call side, and towards the put side 23,500 strike holds the maximum open interest. Coming into the Bank Nifty, on last trading section was the monthly expiry in Bank Nifty. So today onwards traders will enter into the new positions. Stock in news, Panacea Biotech, the company received a new order about 115 million polio vaccines worth US dollar 14.95 million. National Aluminium Company signed a mining lease deed with District Collector Angul in Odisha. Ramke Infrastructure, the company received a new order from Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board for a project worth rupees 215.08 crores. Apollo Hospitals, the company's subsidiary, Apollo HealthCo, is going to acquire Searchlight Health for rupees 67.5 crores. Seagull India, its subsidiary Seagull Ludhiana, received a new order from National Highway Authority of India worth rupees 981 crores. Bharat Forge, the board has approved the infusion of 39 million euros by Bharat Forge into its subsidiary Bharat Forge Global Holdings. The fund will be used to repay debts. EPAC Durables, the company clarified media reports about China's Hisense planning to buy a 26% stake in its subsidiary, stating the business discussions are currently in the preliminary stage. Ultratech Cement, the company has entered into energy supply agreement and share subscription agreement to acquire a 26% equity stake in CleanMax Sapphire. Goa Carbon, the company announced shutdown of its Goa unit for maintenance work from 25th December. Macrotech Developers, the company received an abbreviation to repay rupees 40 crores for its subsidiary Crowntown Infotech Services to a vendor in relation to a terminated contract. Bharat Petroleum Corporation company received a new solar PV project from NTPC worth rupees 756.45 crores. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video, since I am not a SEBI registered person. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching the video.